Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 6 Chapter 1 Humans and Animals. Today our topic for discussion is the digestive system. So, what is digestive system? A body needs food to help it to grow and have energy to work properly. But the body cannot use the food the way we eat just as it is. Food has to be changed so it can be used by the body. The digestive system that changes the food by breaking into a tiny particles, and this process is called digestion. Food is broken down into a small particles by the process of digestion. The stomach and the intestines digest the food. They are the main organs of the digestive system. Stomach and intestines, other important organs in the breakdown of the food during digestion and the removal of the undigested food material. Digested food is then carried into a blood to all the parts of the body. The digestive food particles passed from the intestine into the blood and then carried to all the parts of the body. The food we eat must be digested so that body can use it. So this is the diagram of digestive system. Your teeth chew and chop up the food into a smaller pieces that we can swallow, and the digestive juices in the saliva start digesting the food. After that, the food we swallow is pushed down into a tube that is known as the gullet and the esophagus and into the stomach. Then inside the stomach, the food mixes with the digestive juices that turn the food into a thicker liquid like a porridge, and then the intestines break down the food even more until the food particles are small enough that they enter into the blood, and then the undigested food, bits of food that your body can't use, are pushed out at the end of the intestines, and when you at that time when you go to the toilet. So this is the process, and this is the digestion process. Our bodies need food to get energy and to grow strong. Digestion is the process of turning the food into a form a body can process and use it for energy. And before we start eating, our digestion process begins. People produce saliva and spit inside their mouths. Chewing breaks down the food while saliva softens and can be swallowed, and it passes from mouth to the throat, and we swallow it through the stretchy tube called the esophagus and the gullet. Then it enters to the stomach, and the stomach job is to store the chewed food and break down it further. The muscles help churn and mix the food, and digestive juices are secreted to break down the food into a soupy mixture. After the food broken down into the stomach, it is passes through the small intestines, and the small intestines are not small enough. It is very long narrow tube about 7 meter in adult. Food is pushed along the small intestine and broken down further until the food particles are small enough to be absorbed in the blood, and these all are the points we have already discussed on the previous slide of the diagram. So why is baby's food is soft and mushy? You have seen your younger brother or sister at home, they still eat the soft food. So we are able to eat the food that are not soft, such as a raw carrot and apples, but the very young children, they cannot eat. The babies don't have teeth to chew their food, so they eat only the soft food. So that's why their baby food is soft and mushy. This is a common misconception. The students get confused with the esophagus and the gullet with the windpipe. The windpipe that connects to the lungs, but the gullet connects to the stomach. Let's discuss about the healthy diets. You should be aware of when you eating and drinking choices you make. The foods that are high in fiber, such as fruits and vegetables, whole grains, make it easier for a waste to pass through the body and help to clean the digestive system. Water is used to produce the digestive system juices, so it is important for the people to drink lots and lots of water when they are thirsty rather than drinking sugary sodas and juices. Regular exercise helps the things to move through the digestive system. So regular exercises, the water and the fiber rich diet is very helpful. These are the body parts and their functions. The gullet pushes the food in the stomach. Stomach mixes the food with the digestive juices, and the mouth function is to chew the food and starts digestion. Intestine breaks the food down into the tiny particles. Let's discuss question answers. Why do we need food? In order to grow and have energy for our bodies, we need food. Why must food be digested? Food must be digested so that it can be used by the body. How does stomach help digestion? Stomach mixes the chewed food from the mouth with their digestive juices. What happens to the food in the intestines? The food further digested into a very tiny particles, then they can enter into the blood. How does the digested food reach to all the parts of the body? It is carried in the blood to reach to all the parts of the body. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye.